The Draka software management suite comprises 4 integrated software tools that cover network design, project management, identification and registration, and installation planning. The result of a substantial investment over 15 years, the tools have been developed from Draka's vast experience in building turnkey telecom networks. With Draka's Net Design Access software, you can design any FTTX network. The design process is intuitive and easy to learn, with advanced functions for automatic routing, cable selection, cable labeling, network calculations, material calculations, and labor requirements. Net Project Access makes it possible to calculate and control any estimate, concept, and actual project. Each part of the project is documented in detail. Jobs, which are smaller parts of a project, are created automatically. In this example, a BOM report, Bill of Material, is being created. With Net ID access, you can carry out FTTX network registration even before the actual installation. Because of the integration with Net Design Access, registration actually takes less time. You can create folders to store information logically. In this example, 2 fiber connections are shown from a single customer all the way to the central location. Any detail can be shown on the map. Net Plan Access software. Every officially recorded address in the city is directly available. All information is updated automatically. The last step in the installation process is the customer signature. Draka AccessNet software simplifies everything about project management, from initial design concept to the ongoing maintenance of finished projects.